Ladies and gentlemen, today we dive into the historic and powerful speech delivered by President Donald J. Trump during his 2025 inauguration. A speech filled with promises, optimism, and a vision to restore America's greatness. Let's explore the key moments and analyze what this means for the future of the United States. Donald Trump began by expressing gratitude to the distinguished guests, including past presidents and fellow citizens. His opening words set the tone for what he called the Golden Age of America.
From this day forward, our country will flourish and be respected again all over the world. We will be the envy of every nation, and we will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of any longer.
Trump emphasized his commitment to putting America first, reclaiming sovereignty, and restoring justice. He vowed to end the weaponization of government institutions and to bring prosperity back to the nation. One of the standout moments was when he declared this day as the start of a thrilling new era. However, he didn't shy away from addressing the challenges ahead. Trump's words carried a sense of urgency and determination.
But first, we must be honest about the challenges we face. While they are plentiful, they will be annihilated by this great momentum that the world is now witnessing in the United States of America.
He criticized the failures of past administrations and pledged to prioritize the safety and well-being of American citizens above all. Trump's bold promises included a national emergency at the southern border, reinstating policies like Remain in Mexico and designating cartels as foreign terrorist organizations.
All illegal entry will immediately be halted, and we will begin the process of returning millions and millions of criminal aliens back to the places from which they came.
His focus on national security was matched by his commitment to revitalizing the economy. From declaring a national energy emergency to promoting American manufacturing, Trump painted a picture of a self-reliant and prosperous America. Trump's speech also addressed cultural and social issues. He vowed to protect free speech, restore merit-based policies, and honor traditional values.
As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
This statement drew both applause and controversy, reflecting his unyielding stance on divisive cultural topics. Toward the end of his speech, Trump emphasized unity and ambition. He spoke about restoring the military, launching astronauts to Mars, and bringing back American exceptionalism.
And nothing will stand in our way because we are Americans. The future is ours, and our golden age has just begun. Thank you.
Donald Trump's inaugural address marked a new chapter for America. Whether you support him or not, his vision is undeniably ambitious. Only time will tell how his presidency will shape the nation. What are your thoughts on Donald Trump's 2025 inauguration speech? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.